Welcome back, my beautiful people. This is Desmond, the one who make installation with different. If you are facing problem in your decoder like program not existing, any free to air decoder or any decoder that you are not paying for channels and you are facing problem like program not existing, or any paid decoder like Moroplex and SL, but this problem hardly occur on Moroplex and XL. Now, if you have a decoder like any free to air decoder and you are facing problem like program not existing, and you are wondering how come I'm facing this problem, what is the cause of this problem, how will I solve this problem? Don't worry anymore. This is Desmond, the one who make installation with different. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and you subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell, that in case of any new video, you will be the first to watch. Okay, worry no more. Problems like this can occur by many ways. One of the causes of this problem not existing, low voltage. That is the first thing. If you are using a TV in your house and a decoder, I will always advise you that you buy a stabilizer. But if you don't have a stabilizer and you are facing this problem, worry no more. Now, low voltage is one of the cause of this problem. When light go off and come back, some go off and come with high voltage, or some go off and come with low voltage. When you go and come with low voltage, it upset your decoder. If your decoder is not strong, it will upset your decoder, and maybe it may even format the decoder. So when you see program not existing in your decoder like this one here, you know that your decoder has been formatted. Some can occur by children. If you have children at home and you permit your children to be manipulating your remote or your telecommand carelessly, you always be facing this problem, because children maybe they are playing and manipulating the remote, don't even know where they are entering to. Some entry manipulate and at times format the system of the decoder, and all the time you need to be calling for a technician to come and program. That technician can program your decoder, but you need to pay his transport and maybe services. Now, how to manage this problem at the comfort of your home alone without contacting a technician? How to solve the problem? Program not existing. How will I solve it? Okay, if you're facing problems like this, and worry no more. The only payment or services you will render is just by clicking the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's dive into solving this problem. So when you face a problem like this is how you solve that problem. Some people usually call their technician back and say, this man just came at work a few days ago and I'm not having email. This man just is, madam, sir, is your voltage at home. This is how we target this problem. Okay, when you take your remote control, take menu. With my decoder, this is the menu I have. In your own decoder, you may have a different menu. You go to installation. Now I scroll into my installation and you enter. When you enter the installation, you will have this setting, antenna setting, and you have a motor setting, and you have satellite list and TP list. Okay. Now, if your ditch was properly installed outside, you don't need any code, any frequency to say I need to write a code frequency or anything to get channels. If your dish is properly installed and it has not lost a signal, just enter into your antenna setting. When enter your antenna setting, some decoder will require password. Some decoder will require password. Don't always allow a technician to change your password. When your technician work on your satellite dish, tell him to maintain the password in the decoder. All decoder come with a password of 004 times 0000. It is open. Don't always allow a technician to change your password. Okay, now for me, I just go down and I scan. Now, if you are using a device like a reset switch, this is where you will choose this option. If you are using a device like this, if you are using a device like a reset switch, if you are using a device like this, a reset switch, under your ditch, this is where you will use this option. If you are not using that device, you don't need that option. Now, just go down any satellite, you just go down, you put on blind scan, you change it to blind scan, and you just press your OK. That is all. Press your OK. You see FTA only. This FTA only, it means that if you are taking no, that means you will get channels that are pay channels, which your decoder does not take pay channels. I mean, those channels will be in your decoder, but will not be showing. Will be having dollar sign, which is useless for you. So you just say no. FTA only. You say no. You say yes. FTA only. You take yes. You change it to yes. You go to TV and radio. If you love listening radio on your TV, you can choose all. But if you don't listen radio on your TV, you change it to TV only, and you go down. When you go down, you take scan. That is all. Your channels will start entering. Now you will see how my own channels are entering and the result of the channels. So you can see I did not introduce any frequency. I didn't introduce any frequency. So you see how my channels are entering. So if you have just one ditch on your roof, or you have one ditch and the height on top is not double, do not choose any option like what I did. Just go down and you take your blind scan and you go. But if you love putting frequency, you can contact back for any frequency. Decoders are in different ways and they have different methods. So you can see how the channels are entering. And if you try this and it don't work for you, you need the service of a technician. So always try it at the comfort of your home and save money. When you try and you don't have a good result, that is where you can contact a technician. These are simple things you do at the comfort of your home without the service of a technician and save money. Now, after scanning, when the scanning process is at 100%, it will tell you, do you want to save? You say okay. You take okay on your remote at the center button. You say okay. You take okay. It is saving. After saving, it's okay. Now just press the exit button to go back. I press my exit. I press my exit. I press my exit. Here I have channels. You scroll to the channel that is showing. You see, your problem is solved. Madam, sir, what do you want a technician to come and do again? Save money. This is my Cameroon channels. I'll scroll on the channels. This is my media prime, my LTM. Maybe the signal of LTM is not good. STV, Boom TV, other channels, everything is there. So you can solve this problem at the comfort of your own. Call a technician when you know the problem is above you. If in case of doing this and you feel any difficulties, you are free to contact the number on your screen. The number will be dropped at the end of this video. You are free to contact the number at the end of this video. You see, everything is there. You see, this is how we solve this problem. So if you are facing any of this problem, you need the service of the technician in case it is above you. If you are facing any problem like this, you are free to contact the number on your screen at the end of this video if you face any difficulties. So this is Desmond, the one who make installation with different. Madam, sir, Mr., Mrs., what do you want the technician to come and do with a minor problem like this? Save money at the comfort of your home. Save money at the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. This is Desmond, the one who make installation with difference. Thanks for watching.